Have you ever thought about what plants do for you?
Yes!
Have you really?
No.
They've been taking care of us since the beginning of time. Well, maybe it's about time we say thanks, plants, for the air that we breathe.
Thank you, plants.
For adding coolness to summer.
Thanks, plants.
And the color to winter too. Yeah.
Thanks.
For putting up with me every time I try to say.
Whoa.
For not judging when I go hunting. For midnight snacks. You turn my house into a home.
Thank you, plants.
For making my overpriced one-bedroom flat feel worth it.
Thanks, plants.
And for forgiving me when I came stumbling home with that guy from accounts after the office party. For making me feel like I'm on a yoga retreat.
Thanks for growing and helping me grow, and for being much more than a play.